Lindsay and today we are making the ultimate cookie dough that's safe to eat raw with my Funfetti cake batter chocolate chip cookie dough. So when I started seeing the raw cookie dough trend all over the internet, I wanted to come up with a really fun, totally over the top flavor. This sweet, rich cookie dough has real cake mix and sprinkles mixed right in to give it that buttery cake batter flavor, and it's loaded with semi-sweet and white chocolate chips. So if you're anything like me, you've definitely gotten your grubby little fingers into the cookie dough before they make their way to the oven, or you've licked the beaters after pouring the cake batter into the pans. Something about the raw dough and the raw batter is just like kind of the best part. But I can always hear my mom in the back of my head saying, don't eat that raw, you're gonna get sick. So I've created a recipe that uses no raw eggs, so there's no chance of salmonella, and we're heat treating the flour to kill off anything that can make you sick. So it's totally safe to eat raw for like the ultimate guilty pleasure. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. So let's get started with the cookie dough, and as always, I'll leave you guys the full written recipe down below or on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So just whisk together the flour and the cake mix in a microwave safe bowl. So there's already no egg in this recipe, so to make it safe to eat raw, we're gonna heat treat the flour and the cake mix, and we're just gonna do this in the microwave in 30-second intervals, just stirring in between, making sure the flour and the cake mix get up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's safe to add to the recipe and then you can consume it raw. Then we're just gonna place this in the freezer to cool down a little bit while we get the other ingredients ready. So we're just gonna beat together the butter and the brown sugar on medium speed until it's light and fluffy for about 2 minutes. Then in goes the vanilla, salt, and the secret ingredient, some sweetened condensed milk. And just beat that all in there. Then just scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure everything's incorporated. And on low speed, we're gradually just gonna add that flour cake mix mixture until it's fully combined. Now comes the best part, we get to fold in all the amazing goodies. So in goes some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some white chocolate chips, and of course, you can't forget the rainbow confetti sprinkles to make it funfetti. How awesome did this stuff turn out, you guys? Oh my gosh, I just want to eat this stuff right out of the bowl. Alright, it's all finished. The best part, let's scoop it up. And if you guys give this a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at lindsayandbakes, or share this video with a friend who you know loves cookie dough. Alright, let's scoop it. Oh yeah, look how soft and rich and buttery that dough is, and it is seriously loaded to the max with all the good stuff. And because one scoop is just not enough, let's really load it on there. This stuff is like a combination of all the best things in life: chocolate chip cookie dough, funfetti cake batter, sprinkles, the works. You can scoop this stuff into a cone or a cup and eat it like ice cream, or roll it into tiny little balls and freeze them for a pop of a little treat. Or you can get creative with this stuff and do what I did and use it as filling for little chocolate chip cookie cups. You can stuff it into cupcakes. Or hold the phone, people, if you are a true hardcore cookie dough lover. Stay tuned for next week's video, you're gonna love it. We are using this stuff to make my no-bake funfetti cake batter cookie dough pie. It is like a cookie dough lover's dream come true. So there you have my funfetti cake batter chocolate chip cookie dough. And I know someone's gonna ask me what happens if you bake this dough. This recipe is made to be eaten raw. It's not meant to be baked, but go to my website, lindsayandbakes.com. I have a zillion cookie recipes that I know you're gonna love over there. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love. And I'll see you guys right here next time. Bye.